Hey there, today on Talking Reptiles, I am super excited to be sharing with you guys an eastern indigo snake. Now, eastern indigos are native to the southeast U.S. Their native range is found mostly through Florida, but parts of southern Georgia and historically through southern Alabama, Mississippi, and maybe even to Louisiana. But I say historically because unfortunately, the eastern indigo is now a threatened species. This animal is federally protected, which is why it's exciting to be able to have one today. There's a lot of habitat destruction just through human development. A long time ago, because of their docile nature, people would want to keep them as pets, and check how easygoing this snake is. For the U.S., it's one of our largest snakes, if not the largest. It's a snake that can grow somewhere up to 8 feet in length, and from what I've read, an 8-footer can weigh well over 10 pounds, and the only snake that rivals it in weight in U.S. is the eastern diamondback rattlesnake, which, by the way, this snake could actually eat. This snake eats a variety of different prey. It's not a specialist at all. It'll eat lizards, it'll eat other snakes, including venomous snakes. It is immune to snake venom, and it will even eat rodents and birds. And what's unique about a snake that gets this big compared to other large snakes like rat snakes and king snakes in the U.S. is, as heavy-bodied as this guy is, he's not a constrictor. This is a snake that has a really strong bite that will use that to lock down on something like a mammal or a bird. And if the crushing power is not enough to subdue its prey, it'll actually thrash around. Or if it's in a burrow, will actually use a pushing force against the side of the burrow in order to constrict its prey in that method. So these are just amazing snakes, but unfortunately federally protected due to being threatened. In parts of their range, they're known to have a symbiotic relationship with gopher tortoises, utilizing their burrows for cold and dry spells. And unfortunately, the gopher tortoise is another animal that is endangered in the southeastern part of the U.S. This is an animal that is being reintroduced, however, to certain parts of its original range. There's a lot of work being done to restore its normal populations, and the only way we have this snake available today is from our good friend Kirsten, who is a volunteer at Hudson Valley Reptile and Rescue, and she went through all the important paperwork to make sure she was covered to legally own this amazing snake.